Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got an exciting showdown for you. The Samsung Exynos 2400 versus the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. Let's dive right in. Alright, so Nano Review recently stacked up these two smartphone powerhouses, the 10-core Samsung Exynos 2400 and the 8-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. We're talking about the CPU, GPU, battery efficiency, and more. Let's break it down. CPU performance-wise, in single-core tests, the Exynos 2400 scores 97 points, just a notch below the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 with 98 points. Moving on to gaming performance, the Exynos 2400 flexes its muscles with 2497 points, while the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 scores 2100 points. Battery efficiency? Again, the Exynos 2400 takes the lead with 2486 points compared to Snapdragon's 2091 points. But wait, the overall chip score? It's a close one, with Exynos 2400 at 95 points and Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 at 98 points. Now some pros. The Exynos 2400 boasts 2 extra cores and a GPU operating at a hopping 31% higher frequency. On the flip side, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 shines in N2210 benchmarks, outscoring the Exynos 2400 by 26%. But it's not over. In N2210, Exynos 2400's single-core score hits 2195, Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 trails with 2181. Multi-core? The Exynos 2400 notches 6920, Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 takes the lead at 7250. Both chips are beasts, but the Samsung Exynos 2400 brings some serious competition, especially for those who crave graphics performance and raw processing power. Now onto some early benchmark tests from the YouTuber Note. Keep in mind, these aren't the final versions for consumers, and they were using pre-release software. Geekbench 6, Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 has a slight edge in CPU, but in GPU, Exynos 2400 in the S24 and S24 Plus outshines the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 in the S24 Ultra. And 22 tests, Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 in the S24 Ultra wins, but the difference is minimal. And in 3D Mark, the Exynos-powered S24 models take the lead, with the AMD ARDNA 3-base Sclip's 940 GPU showing its prowess. Interesting tidbit, the Samsung M chip also excels in thermal management. Oh, and a shout out to Gary and Han for suggesting that Samsung's Exynos 2400 outperforms the iPhone 15 Pro in Genshin Impact. However, keep in mind the game ran at lower settings on the Exynos 2400, potentially giving it an advantage. Switching gears to Samsung's new Galaxy AI features. Brace yourselves, folks, because Samsung has some seriously cool AI tricks up its sleeve. First off, Live Translate and Interpreter. The Galaxy S24 series introduces real-time translation during phone calls using artificial intelligence. Communication just got a whole lot smoother. Next, Chat Assist, translating in-app messages, altering text tone, and advanced spell check, all powered by on-device processing. It's like having a personal language assistant built into your keyboard. Note Assist in the Samsung Notes app allows for interactive note modifications. Generate summaries, format notes. It's a game changer for those who love to take detailed notes. Transcript Assist in the Samsung Voice Recorder app transcribes recordings into text, identifies speakers, and even offers translation or summarization options. Think of it as your pocket secretary. And for all you photography enthusiasts, Samsung brings generative edit and suggestions to the table. AI-powered object manipulation in photos and automatic photo edit recommendations. It's like having a personal photo editor in your pocket. And there's more. Circle to search Google. Long press the home button or gesture bar, and you can search for things using Lens in any app by simply circling the item. Now that's some futuristic stuff. And that's a wrap for today's video, folks. What are your thoughts on the Samsung Exynos 2400 and Snapdragon 8 Gen 3? Now let's talk about the specifications of Samsung S24 series. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra emerges as a beacon of innovation in the smartphone industry, redefining what we expect from our mobile devices. In this comprehensive review, we'll delve into every aspect of this groundbreaking device, showcasing why it's more than just a technological advancement. It's a glimpse into the future. Exquisite design and build. The S24 Ultra marks a significant shift in design philosophy for Samsung. The transition to a flat screen, moving away from the curved edges of its predecessors, is not just a stylistic choice. This change enhances the phone's structural integrity, making it more resistant to the rigors of daily use. The sleek gray color and matte finish lend an air of sophistication and class, emphasizing its premium build quality. The introduction of a titanium frame is a game changer. This choice of material is a testament to Samsung's commitment to innovation, offering a lighter yet sturdier build. This not only makes the phone more comfortable to hold and use for extended periods, but also adds an extra layer of durability. Display, a visual feast. Samsung has always been at the forefront of display technology, and the S24 Ultra is no exception. The 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED screen boasts a resolution of 3088 x 1440 pixels. The 120Hz refresh rate ensures a buttery-smooth visual experience, whether you're browsing, gaming, or watching videos. The screen's peak brightness of 2500 nits/2 guarantees excellent visibility even under direct sunlight, enhancing its usability in outdoor settings. Revolutionary camera system. The camera setup of the S24 Ultra is a marvel of modern technology. The primary 200MP sensor is a leap forward in mobile photography, promising incredible detail and clarity in every shot. The quad camera array also includes a 12MP telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom, a 10MP telephoto lens, and a 12MP ultra-wide lens, making it a versatile tool for photographers of all skill levels. This setup allows users to capture everything from vast landscapes to intricate close-ups with equal finesse. Performance, powerhouse on the inside. At the heart of the S24 Ultra is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. This chip is not just about raw power, it's about smart, efficient performance. Coupled with 8 GB of RAM, the S24 Ultra handles everything from everyday tasks to the most demanding applications with ease. The 256 GB of internal storage offers ample space for all your needs, ensuring that you never have to worry about running out of room. Battery life and charging. The 5000 mAh battery of the S24 Ultra is designed to keep up with the demands of modern life. It supports fast charging with a 45W wired charger, fully wireless charging, and even reverse wireless charging. This flexibility means that not only can you quickly charge your phone, but you can also lend a helping hand to your other devices when they're running low on power. Operating system and user experience. Running on the latest version of Android, the S24 Ultra provides a smooth and intuitive user interface. Samsung's One UI complements the Android system, enhancing its functionality and ease of use. The ultrasonic in-screen fingerprint sensor is a nod to the importance of security in today's digital age, providing a secure yet convenient way to unlock your device. Connectivity and additional features. The S24 Ultra is equipped with a full suite of connectivity options, including Bluetooth 5.3, Wi-Fi 6E, and ultra-wideband UWB. These features ensure that the S24 Ultra is ready for any kind of wireless interaction, whether it's connecting to the latest generation of Wi-Fi networks or pairing with a wide range of devices. Unique color options and aesthetic appeal. In addition to the standard gray, the S24 Ultra will be available in 3 exclusive colors: serene blue, refreshing green, and vibrant orange. These options add a touch of personality and style to the device, catering to a range of tastes and preferences. The blue and green variants feature black middle frames, while the orange variant comes with a silver frame, each adding a unique aesthetic appeal to the phone. Pricing and market position. With an expected price of around $1,250, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is positioned as a premium offering in the smartphone market. This pricing reflects the advanced features and superior build quality of the device, targeting users who seek the best in technology and design. Final thoughts. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is not just a smartphone, it's a statement. It's a device that encapsulates the best of what technology can offer today and hints at what's possible tomorrow. As we eagerly await its official release, the S24 Ultra stands poised to not just meet but exceed the expectations of tech enthusiasts and average consumers alike. As we continue to explore the ever-evolving landscape of smartphone technology, the Galaxy S24 Ultra serves as a shining example of what's possible when innovation meets craftsmanship. It's a device that promises to set new standards in the industry and redefine our relationship with technology.